Welcome to this training video for the Siemens MAG 8000 LoRa Bluetooth wireless communication module. The MAG 8000 with the LoRaWAN Bluetooth wireless communication module offers long-range connectivity and local wireless connectivity for parametrization. This module is available as a pre-mounted option or as an upgrade kit for already deployed MAG 8000. To order this module, please use the links under the video. Here in this example, the module is already pre-mounted. With the extension kit, you receive the antenna, cable gland, antenna cable adapter, leaflet with all necessary credentials and LoRa communication board. When you mount your antenna and communication module, make sure the antenna is installed vertically and away from high voltage lines or metal surfaces. Now your MAG 8000 is ready for activation and configuration. Now that the module is mounted, let's power it up and activate Bluetooth. Begin by inserting the main battery into the MAG 8000 and connecting the power cable. Once powered, the LED will blink twice in orange to confirm startup. Then it will alternate between green and red for up to 2 minutes while the supercapacitor charges. When the LED turns solid green, the device is joining the network. Once this process is complete, the LED will turn off. To activate Bluetooth, place a magnet near the Hall effect sensor. The LED will glow orange, indicating that Bluetooth is now available. By default, Bluetooth remains active for 10 minutes or until the user disconnects. Open the Mobile IQ app. It will automatically detect the MAG 8000 and prompt you to set a new password. Enter the default password, SITRANS space AW050 exclamation mark. The new password must include one capital letter, one space, one number, and be exactly 12 characters long. If you've lost your password for Mobile IQ access, to read the data, you would need the magnet and follow this procedure. Try connecting to the device and select the Reset Bluetooth Password option. Follow the on-screen instructions and re-enter the default password to regain access. Once connected, you're ready to begin configuration and monitoring using Mobile IQ. Your MAG 8000 is now fully operational with Bluetooth enabled. Let's take a quick tour of the Mobile IQ app and what it offers when connected to a MAG 8000. Access management screen to be used in case a user wants to modify MAG 8000 software protected parameters. Use the default password 1000. The MAG 8000 will be unlocked for about 10 minutes for further parameterization. In case you want to change your password, first enter the default password in Enter PIN. Then enter the new password in Change User PIN. In case of a lost password, please contact our tech support. After connecting via Bluetooth, the app opens to the device cockpit. Here you'll find basic information such as the device ID, firmware version and battery status. The live diagram shows real-time flow measurements, signal strengths and transmission intervals. In order to change and have access to LoRa-related parameters, go into the device settings section and use following password. In the following, we'll focus on the LoRaWAN communication parametrization. First, locate the sticker on the communication module. It contains the device EUI. Both are required for registration on the LoRa network server. Open the Mobile IQ app and navigate to the LoRaWAN settings. You'll see the same identifiers displayed in the app for verification. Once registered, the module will begin sending LoRa messages at a configured interval. Here's an example of a typical LoRa payload. The payload includes flow rate, totalizer, battery voltage, and signal strength. Use your application server or decoder to parse the message and visualize the data. With this setup, your MAG 8000 is now fully integrated into your LoRaWAN infrastructure. Thanks to our Siemens MAG 8000 LoRa Bluetooth wireless communication module, we have now long range and local access for full integration into your processes. For more information, please contact your local Siemens sales partner.